Hey, it's Anna Marie from ERA King in Alabama, and I had this experience occur with one of the closings that's hopefully going to close today, and we've got the situation resolved now, but while we were working through it, I was very frustrated by some of the things that happened, and I thought I would just share with any potential buyers, especially potential buyers who have these characteristics as this young gentleman did, and so that there's ways around it, there's things that you can do, but at least your frustration will not be to the extent that ours was, because you will have watched this little video. So anyway, I am working with a current active duty serviceman who is currently stationed overseas, and he is a first-time home buyer getting to purchase a house so that it will be here and be ready for him when he gets discharged, or when he gets his call and gets to come home, and he'll have a place to go. And it's very exciting to work with him as a first-time home buyer, but also just the fact that he has obviously taken one of the biggest commitments than most of our countrymen do, to go over there and protect us. So anyway, everything was going fine, and it's time for him to get his homeowner's insurance for his house. And I'm not sure if it's because of the recent storm damage with the the tornadoes that came through our area, or just I don't know really why, but most homeowners insurance carriers, I'm not going to necessarily call it any names, but we all know who the big ones are. We see their commercials. They have implemented a new policy where if they're going to write your homeowner's insurance for you, then you also have to move your auto insurance with them too. And actually, for most people, you get a discount for having multiple policies with them. So it works out well. And I've never had any clients who have had any issues with either moving over their car policy because, it saved them some money, or it wasn't any more expensive. So, it wasn't a big deal. However, for this gentleman, he doesn't have a car. It's in storage. He's not driving it. And so we really had a hard time finding an insurance company that would give him a homeowner's policy, without his car. So, like I said, we worked through it now, but it was just very frustrating going through that process and talking to these insurance companies, because, he's like he's defending our freedom. He's over there doing a service for us who are sitting over here, and, you would think they would find a way to make this work for servicemen who are, like I said, currently serving overseas. And I realize there's that these people that we were talking to, that they're just in the sales aspect. They're not in the part of, creating the policies, and this will cover this, or this will cover this. But anyway, it was still very, very frustrating. We were able to find him a policy with not one of the big insurance companies. It's not going to cost him an arm and a leg to have the insurance policy, and they're not going to treat it as a renter's policy either, where he'll have to, would have to have a contract for somebody who's going to lease it out for the short amount of time before he gets here. So we were able to work it out, but like I said, I hope this helps with any other service men and women who are, currently active duty, who are trying to purchase a house, having to move your car. It can be a hiccup. I'd be more than happy to pass along the information for the company that we were able to get him homeowners insurance from. But like I said, I hope this helps for anybody who is trying to purchase a house who is current active duty. I do have a couple other clients that I'm just started working with who will be doing the same thing. We're going to try and get them a house so that they'll be ready when they get to come home. And this was just a very good piece of information that I have that I'll be able to share. So again, if you have any questions or comments, you can always leave a message below, or you can email me at anna-marie@era-king.com.